With its bold gabled roofline, stone detailing and crisp modern lines, the Rothwell 33's new crest facade delivers instant street appeal. It's a timeless look with a relaxed coastal edge, and it sets the tone for everything you're about to see inside. Step into the Rothwell and you're immediately welcomed by design with impact. The raised ceilings and tundra marble feature tiles from the porch flow seamlessly into the entry, creating a sense of continuity and understated luxury. And this is what the Affinity collection is all about: homes created without compromise. To the front of the home, the indulgent master suite offers a true retreat. There's a spacious walk-in robe and a luxurious ensuite complete with double vanity, oversized shower, a spa bath and private water closet. The kind of space that feels like a 5-star hotel every single day. At the heart of the Rothwell is this spectacular kitchen and living zone designed for connection and entertaining. The raked ceiling adds volume and light, and the combination of Laminex oyster grey and calm oak cabinetry brings a grounded, soft elegance. The oversized kitchen island and deluxe walk-through pantry make this space as functional as it is beautiful. Gunmetal handles, brushed nickel tapware and subtle Caesar stone benchtops create a refined, cohesive finish. A perfect example of Carlisle's better inclusions. The open-plan meals and living area flows effortlessly out to this expansive alfresco. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet family dinner, this is a space that adapts with ease. Styled in a light meets dark interior scheme, the Rothwell blends blonde timber flooring with warm grey joinery, soft fabrics and bold charcoal accents. It's a home that feels polished, modern and completely inviting. Touches like V-joint wall cladding and soft grey wallpapers create texture and visual interest without overpowering the space. The rear of the home is all about family practicality. 3 spacious bedrooms, a dedicated bathroom with separate water closet, and this smart built-in study nook, all perfectly zoned for kids, teens, or guests. In the bathrooms, you'll notice the soft elegance of Basilica chalk tiles and Caesar stone Bianco drift benchtops. The same attention to detail carries through here, with brushed nickel tapware and darker cabinet handles tying the look together seamlessly. With its layered materials and thoughtful layout, the Rothwell 33 is a home designed for luxurious family living. With better floor plans that adapt to your lifestyle, better inclusions that elevate every room, and better care from the Carlisle team every step of the way, this is the Affinity collection at its finest. Come and see it for yourself at Ridgelea Estate in Pakenham East.